Hey, good morning guys. It's Bill Maskas with MarineMax in Stuart. I would like to show you this 2017 Sea Ray 290 SDX with outboards, twin 225s, and they have about 160 hours. Let's go aboard and check it out. All right, we are here on the swim platform. As I said, twin 225s, about 160 hours. 100-hour service was completed with 0 hours on the motors right now. I love this feature over here. You have a nice swim platform. You can get on the boat from here, or you can just sit down, just under the surface of the water. Your beach ladder is over the other side. Then coming in, you have the nice lounge over here, storage underneath here. You have a nice step, so when you have a taller dock, you can have 3 steps basically to jump on a dock on the side. Freshwater shower right next to it. Very nice sitting area up here, which can convert depending how you're using the boat. Are you cruising or are you just socializing? There is a table that mounts right over there. Maintain your batteries by plugging an extension cord right next to it. Cup holders all over the place, some storage for your phones right over there. When you're driving the boat, you just flip the whole thing around. You have bolsters and then a nice little glove compartment. The head compartment right in front with a pump out porta potty. A sink and very nice appointments. On the home side, you have the binnacles. Ray Marine 9-inch in the center, a SmartCraft on both sides, your stereo, and basic switching all around. There is a nice hidden little glove compartment over here. Storage on the back of the helm, that includes your tables in there, and then coming towards the bow, nice appointed area with armrests both sides. You can have 2 people lounging over here plus a couple of more sitting on the front. There is a table right over here where you can make this a nice dining area, and on the front you have your beach ladder and a manual anchor. There is also a freshwater wash right over here, so if you are using the beach ladder, you can clean off the sand before you jump onto the boat. Full boat cover, 2-piece tonneau for the front and a full cover, custom cover for the back. Nice collapsible bimini, it's manually collapsible. So if you had a bridge that you needed to go down, a very low bridge that you need to go down, this can collapse and help you do that. It's Bill Maskas with MarineMax in Stuart. If you have any questions, please call me 203-808-5088. Would love to help you. Have a great day.